The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a tornado warning for western Tom Green County in west central Texas, east central Arion County in west central Texas, until 5:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:48 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Knickerbocker, or 7 miles east of Mertzon, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Knickerbocker and Tankersley. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The current time is 4:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time.